Hannah Abbasi demonstrates a lively and informal approach to teaching digestion with her mixed ability Year 8 science class. AST Holly Power then provides analysis of Hannah's enthusiastic, hands-on approach.
Have some space, please. Everyone's taking my space. Right. So let's get this together. What can help me chew that?
Your enzymes.
Right, we'll get this, okay? So do that. Right, easy. Stop there. So that represents my what? Teeth. Initially I was quite worried because I thought, oh God, they're going to be disruptive, but they managed to come in and they were engaged in the demonstrations and, you know, they're giving back good verbal feedback. What do you think this could represent?
Saliva.
Good. Saliva that's got what enzymes? Amylase, okay?
In a way it's better, because instead of just like writing, when we don't really pay attention, but when there's like something different, we pay more attention and we want to get involved.
Right, and then I want to mix it up even more. Oh, this is what happens though. I've got confidence now and I can just relax a bit because I know they're learning and I know I'm kind of doing the right thing. Suggested that's poo. If anyone's poo's like that, you know what? Seriously, that's it's stretchy, isn't it?
She's more happy than she used to be.
I think it's really insightful in this clip how we get to see what the students are thinking and how they comment very simply just that Miss is smiling more. The fact that the students and the teacher are enjoying themselves makes the whole learning process a lot more effective. I think it's really lovely how they're all kind of crowding around the middle desk rather than all spaced out nicely around the classroom at their desk. I think that can sometimes disengage them from the learning if they're a long way away and it's a lot more formal. Whereas this way they're all kind of crowding around, arching their heads to see and wanting to see what's going on. Just kind of creates a sense of excitement. I really like the way that she's actually got some of the students to do some of the demo and they're actually mashing up the biscuits and getting them involved that way. And if you just look around, you know, they're laughing, they're smiling, she's smiling. I think it's really effective how none of the things in the demo are labelled. Whenever I've done this before, I've always had a bottle labelled enzymes and the rolling pin labelled teeth. And here she's actually asking the students, what does this represent? What can I use to help me chew? What kind of enzyme is going to be in my saliva? And that's so important because in that way, rather than you just telling the students the information, they're getting it from themselves and they're answering the questions, and even when they're not sure straight away, she leads them to the right answer, and so they're providing her with the information rather than the other way around, which ultimately leads to a lot better progress.
If anyone's poo's like that, you know what? Seriously, that's it's stretchy, isn't it?
She says that she was a bit nervous about whether they were going to be disruptive, but actually it wasn't a problem at all, and possibly in this sense, although it wasn't a formal learning setting, possibly more progress and learning did actually take place.